Alright, next-gen coders, gather round. Today we're diving into the top AI mistakes you absolutely must avoid. These are the pitfalls that can derail even the most promising projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, these tips will save you a ton of headaches. Trust me, I've seen it all. Let's jump right in. First up, mistake number 1. Not understanding your data. Data is the backbone of any AI project. Without good data, your AI is like a ship without a compass. If your data is biased, incomplete, or just plain wrong, your AI is going to be flawed too. It's crucial to start with clean, accurate data. Make sure you're vetting your data sources and cleaning your data thoroughly. This step can't be overstated. Garbage in, garbage out, right? Your AI is only as good as the data you feed it. Next, mistake number 2, overcomplicating solutions. I get it, we all love to flex our coding muscles, but sometimes the simplest solution is the best one. Complexity can introduce unnecessary errors. Don't reinvent the wheel if a basic model or algorithm gets the job done. Simplicity often leads to more robust and maintainable code. Keep it simple, folks. Your future self will thank you. Now, mistake number 3. Ignoring model validation. You can't just build a model and call it a day. Validation is key to ensuring your model performs well in the real world. You need to validate it, test it, and make sure it's performing well on different datasets. This helps catch any hidden issues. Cross-validation is your friend here. It's like a reality check for your AI. It ensures your model isn't just memorizing the training data. And finally, mistake number 4, forgetting about ethics. AI isn't just about cool tech, it's about impact. The decisions your AI makes can have real-world consequences. Make sure your AI solutions are ethical and responsible. Consider the broader implications of your work. Think about how your AI will affect people in society. This isn't just about avoiding bad press, it's about doing the right thing. Trust me, you don't want to be on the wrong side of history here. Ethical considerations are paramount. So there you have it, folks. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to building robust, responsible AI solutions. Your projects will be more successful and impactful. Got any other AI tips or mistakes you think we should cover? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Stay connected with us. Keep coding and keep innovating, next-gen coders. The future is in your hands. Until next time, stay sharp and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.